tell y'all though is follow the QT Collection on Facebook and Instagram and sign up for our newsletter because it's going down. This box, my shirt explains the size of this box. I've been waiting all day. These clothes been at my doorstep since 8 o'clock this morning. It is now like 6 p.m. I've been wanting to open these clothes so bad, but I couldn't get to it in time because I wanted y'all to see my honest reaction. So we're gonna open up these clothes together, and this spot's so every time I order from my vendor, don't matter how much I order, they always put it in one box. I ain't mad at them, but God, woo! Can I get an amen? Amen. Okay, hands clean, products can never be touched. So this one is a pink little bodysuit I got for the QT Collection. Romper. It's so small, but I guarantee you when you put it on, bam! And the material is super stretchy. So we got the little pink romper. Really cute. You know what? To sell it to a cutie. You don't look like a beauty. Nah, man. Who this for? I think. Oh, jump. It's inside out. I can't wait. When I tell you I can't wait to see my real thick cuties in these little bodysuits. I just know y'all about to eat them up. This is kind of the same bodysuit that I just showed y'all, but it's shorter and it's in a gray and it got a little print on it. We got some black ones and we got some brown ones. We got us some jeans. Oh, the girls been waiting on these jeans too. Moment of truth, don't worry boo, the QT Collection got you. Bam! Look at the jeans, y'all. Yes! And they stretch. You know, cause me, I don't like clothes that's like real tight around the waist because it made me bloated and I look fat by the end of the night. So, your girl loves some little stretch to her jeans, honey. And look at it. Look at the material. Okay, and then we got our dresses. I'm not too proud of these dresses right here, just by looking at it through the plastic. So I am going to be a little transparent when it comes to my clothes. This ain't, you know what, this may be cute though. It might be cute. Somebody go wear it and rock it. I like it. I wasn't expecting this to be printed. I thought this was going to be a little bit more 3D. And it ain't bad material either. Like, it don't feel like a sheet. Don't feel too thin. I just don't like the print on it. But somebody will wear it. It's not on you. It's in you. Bubble skirts. Ooh. Look at it. Super stretchy. And yeah. We also got some silver skirts as well. Like the gold ones. This is cute little dress. Oh my goodness, this is bad. B-A-D-D-I-E, baby, it's E. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. What is? Oh, this is the button. Ooh, I can't wait to style these with some cute jeans. This is so cute to me. This top. I got some heels just like this. I feel like this is gonna be really cute with the pair of heels I got. And some cute little cargo bottoms. Love this. Super stretchy. And the material, it's like a cotton spandex. Okay, look. It's giving brunch. Dinner date. Girls night out. You know, you can never go wrong with a white top. And it got a collar on it, give it a little classy to it. This is just a review. I'm not trying on no clothes. I'm just pulling it straight out the box and giving y'all honest review. That's all, that's it. Okay, y'all. This is the second time my camera don't stop because my storage is full, and please, like, what's going on? Yeah. If it stop again, then I'm done. I feel like this go cute with the little highlighted boots people been wearing too. This is really cute. Got some jumpsuits. We got the denim tops back in stock. A lot of people was asking about these, so we just restocked. Get y'all one while it's in stock, because I'm telling y'all, once it drop and it's out of stock, then y'all gonna have to wait on the next drop. Trying to tell you. Okay, I'm trying to hurry up. What's this? This is another top. Oh, this the shirt. This shirt, I feel like it was really, really cute when I seen it on the site. Got the little delzels on it. Really, really cute. Get into it. Even bad bitch on the box. Forever on the air. Oh, we got us some pants. I'ma only show y'all. I got these in orange too, but I'm gonna show y'all the green pair. Yes, ma'am. The video don't do it no justice because they're long and they're like, but they're like cut out. Now this doesn't have any stretch to it, but I feel like it'll still eat. Yeah, I like these. And we got them in orange too. This is another top we got. I like this top real bad too. We got some other green pants, but they're on the lighter side. They're like the highlight side. We got these really cute, y'all. These are, yeah, these like cargo. Really cute. I won't say they got stretch to it, but it might can, like, you know, I don't know, give you a little room in it. The lime green pants I just showed y'all, we got them in black as well. Got them in pink as well. You know, we can't go wrong with pink. Oh, we got some more jumpsuits, black jumpsuits. We got them in black, white, and we got them in brown. Oh, we got some two-piece sets in pink and silver. We got some dresses. We got some little maxi dresses because it's getting cold, so you know dresses don't never go out of style. So no matter the season, but you know we gotta add a little length to it sometimes. But this is really cute. I might wear this weekend. Really cute too. My best friend, Makilia, should eat this up, and she a stallion. Baby, she'll eat this dress up. I'm gonna have to call her. I'm gonna have to call her. Tell her come shop. Shop is open just for her. Okay, y'all. That was all I'm gonna show y'all. We got a couple of more stuff, but to see that, you just gonna have to follow the page, boo. But I thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed the little quick little vendor review. And I hope to see y'all on my Instagram page and Facebook page. And soon to be TikTok. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Let me know how y'all feel about the clothes. Do I need to drop some more? Do I need to switch it up? You know, let me know. Bye.